you are involved in any sort of injury in and around a motor vehicle, we do it. Whether or not it's automobile versus automobile, automobile versus pedestrian, a big rig, or a corporate vehicle. Anytime that you're injured as a result of a motor vehicle accident, we get involved and we even the playing field for you. Because we work on a contingency basis, which means you pay nothing unless we're successful, get us involved early. Because there's a lot of things that you may not be aware of that are very important that you'll miss based upon the fact that you're relying upon the insurance company that has an interest in protecting their assets and not your rights. But at the end of the day, if you rely upon them and ultimately paint yourself into a corner later on in the process, it's much more difficult for us to rehabilitate that. However, you need somebody on your team to even the playing field when you're dealing with those large corporate entities. So the most important thing initially is not about money, it's about your health. Because the medical foundation upon which your case is built will dictate every other aspect of your case. We are lucky enough to be able to introduce you to the very best medical care providers in the area. They will all work with you as a result of us being involved on a lien, which means you do not pay until your case is done. So you'll never have the excuse to say, I didn't have insurance, that's why I didn't get medical care. This way you can focus again on the most important thing, which is identifying or ruling out every injury that you sustained. So when you get to the end of the process, you don't sign in the dotted line and find out 2 years later that you have a problem that you weren't compensated for. For the best advice, don't think twice. Call Ashton and Price.